Hey guys, my name is Nick, glad to see you on my YouTube video. Today I want to show you how to play Honor of Kings on your PC or laptop. So to play this game on your PC, you have to download any Android emulator. You can download BlueStacks, X or LD Player 9 for example. I advise you to download this emulator, LD Player. So first of all, I want to show you how to download it. Just go to a browser and type here LD Player download. Now go to their official website. There you can easily install their emulator. Just click on this button, download LD Player 9. Of course, you can install another version of the emulator, but I really recommend you to download the latest version. And now in the download history, you can find the LD Player installer. So now run it and install it on your PC. But I have already installed this emulator on my PC. Let's stop the installation and just open it. The emulator is up and running. Now click on apps and go to Play Store. And here you need to log into your Google account or create a new one. I'm already logged into my account, so now I can use Play Store. Now at the very top you can see the search box. There you can search apps and games, so click on it and let's type here Honor of Kings right here. And now click on the game, and now I can easily install it. Just click on the button. So 300 megabytes. Now we just have to wait. Definitely it doesn't take long to download. The app is installed, and finally let's launch the game and try to play a little bit. Click on play right here. Oh, you can already see the button layout, and now we are on the welcome page where I need to sign in or sign up. So let's continue with Google, for example. Oh, and check these check boxes, and now click on Google. Select your Google account here and just wait a bit. So this was a small guide on how to play Honor of Kings on your PC or laptop, of course. I'm sure this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, put a like under this video and leave your comments. Thank you very much. Bye bye.